Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you through how to use the Luma AI app. The powerful tool lets you create stunning 3D models and realistic digital content right from your phone. So let's get started. First, download the Luma AI app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. You can open it with your Google or Apple ID. Then allow necessary permissions for camera access and locations. Create username, then create confirm to registration. Now, from the home page, you will see various options. Home, create, library. Now, choose the create option to start scanning an object or environment. Then, these steps will guide you through your first capture. Here's the on-screen guide to ensure you get full 360-degree coverage. When done, click Finish to process your capture. You can use the built-in editing tool to clean up your 3D model, adjust beginning lightning texture and details for a polished look, and now export your 3D models in formats like GLTF, OFJ or USDJ. You will find your file in library section. Share directly to social media or use it in another 3D project. And that's it. You have now learned how to use the Luma AI app to create incredible 3D models. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tech tips.